Hello sparklers, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and today's do-it-yourself vlog video is a clean and decorate with me. Now if that's not interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget, family, to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Alright sparklers, let's get this clean and decorate with me video started. Once again, this video today is a clean and decorate with me, and you guys, this is going to just be a minor clean. The cleaning portion is going to be very small. It's going to be a decorate with me. I'm also including a sponsored portion in this video. You're going to get that in just 1 second, you guys. But here in this space today, I'm actually redoing my room for 2023, you guys. So if you've been following me for a while, I originally had my bedroom. I originally featured black, which you don't hardly see me featuring black too much in my space unless it's in tablescapes. But I am bringing black back into the space. We're doing black, white, and silver in the space. And if you've been following me, the original, a lot of the older videos, you remember my massive black headboard. And that's what inspired me, because I want to bring that back temporarily. So I'm going to also drop that headboard link, you guys, down in the description box as well. So with that being said, I'm going to let you see an overview of the space. We've already taken some of the things down so we can prepare for what we're bringing in. And two, if this is your first time tuning in here, we want to thank you for tuning in today. Welcome to the Glam Queen of DIY. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. Tap it twice. It turns blue. And you'll know every time that I am uploading. I do upload content on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays. 4 days a week. You will get content at other days as well, you guys. But my normal upload days will always be Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So make sure you do stay tuned for that. Also, anything in this space that I did create in a DIY, I will be dropping those links down in the description. Always check my description box, you guys. I always include useful information for you in that description with affiliate links and discount codes. Alright, enough talking. We're finna jump right into the sponsored portion of the video. And you guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by BEADPARK. They are a seller on Amazon. I'm going to include their Amazon link as well. But from BEADPARK, they did send me 2 of these 24 by 36 rectangular black mirror frame mirrors, you guys. Now to you guys, these mirrors can be used for your bathroom, your bedroom. They can be hung vertical or horizontal. But these 24 by 36 inch rectangular black metal frame mirrors are gorgeous. They are truly modern. They also have a farmhouse design. No matter your decor style, you guys, I promise you, these mirrors will actually work. And they have a 0.98 inch frame depth, and the frame rim is 0.35 depth. They're strong, durable, non-rusting. They're matte black, you guys. It has HD glass and the metal crafted frame. It is also for your bathroom, you guys. They are moisture proof. You heard me right, moisture proof. And I promise you, you will love these in your space. And you're going to be seeing more coming here on my channel as well. But make sure you do check out BEADPARK. Their link is down in my description. Their Amazon item code is there as well, along with as with my discount code. And once again, they're 36 inches in length and 24 inches in width. And you guys, they can be hung once again vertically or horizontally. And again, with that matte black finish and that simple design, they endow the mirror with the anti-water shock proof. They're more stable, which is supposed to extend the life of the mirror as well. It's easy to mount, you guys. It has the 4 hooks on the back. I would just tell you too, when you're hanging anything, I say measure 3 times and hang once. But you can use these for multiple rooms. You can also create you a vanity with these mirrors as well. So please make sure you do go over and check them out. All of their information is down in my description. And if you're still watching and you're not part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. And to you guys, I'm on the lookout for another cordless vac. Drop me a comment of a suggestion of one, because currently I'm using this Dream cordless vac, and I need one that actually gives me a longer vacuum time, but I'm looking to upgrade. So if you use them, please leave me a comment on a very good brand. Alright you guys, now it's time for the big reveal. This is my room from the doorway. And to you guys, make sure you do drop me a comment if you're liking this black, white, and gold. I will tell you, this is just the first portion of what we're getting ready to do in this space, because we're going to come back and I'm going to patch up all of the holes in the wall, put down carpet. Just stay tuned. We're going to take you along this ride with updating the home with us, but I do hope you enjoyed thus far what I created. And as I stated in a few earlier videos, you guys, I am majorly shopping my home. I do have some more sponsored stuff that I have had probably for a couple months that you're going to be getting those items featured in my next upcoming videos, but I am still going to be shopping my home. Just make sure you stay tuned for everything we're bringing you here on the Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're still not a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell twice, it turns blue, and you know every single time that we are uploading. We do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And two, please don't forget to check out Kohl's for these mirrors. I dropped a link to their website down in my description along with their Amazon link. Make sure you click that link to snag you an amazing discount. And you guys, these mirrors are truly modern and they're very gorgeous, and I know you'll like them in your space. And before closing, you guys, if you're not following the Glam Queen branded channels, please make sure you do so now. That is the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Décor, and Glam Queen Vlogs. All channel links are down in the description. Also check that description box for some useful information for you as well. And the link for these fabulous mirror that is sponsored through Cole as well. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.